Have you ever wondered if your sleek Apple Mac is truly invincible against the shadowy world of viruses and malware lurking online? What if I told you it's not magic? It's a fortress of clever, invisible shields built right into macOS, quietly battling threats so you don't have to. Buckle up as we dive into this hidden arsenal and uncover how your Mac stays one step ahead of the bad guys. No cape required. Apple computers running macOS come equipped with several built-in security features designed to protect against viruses and malware. These tools work together to create a layered defense system, helping users understand how their device stays secure without needing third-party software right away. Let's break it down step by step to see how these features operate and why they're effective. First, XProtect acts as macOS's core antivirus scanner. It uses a database of known malware signatures, essentially digital fingerprints of harmful software, to automatically check files and apps for threats. When you download something new, XProtect scans it in the background and quarantines or removes any matches. This is updated regularly through Apple's software updates, ensuring it stays current against evolving threats. Think of it as a vigilant guard that learns from global reports of malware. Next, Gatekeeper serves as a verification system for apps. Before an app can run, Gatekeeper checks if it's from a trusted developer, identified by Apple's digital certificates, and scans for malicious code. If an app doesn't pass, macOS warns you or blocks it entirely. This educates users about safe downloading practices, as it encourages sticking to the App Store or verified sources, reducing the risk of installing rogue software. Complementing these is the Malware Removal Tool, MRT, which specifically targets and eradicates certain types of infections that XProtect might detect. It runs quietly during system updates, removing threats without user intervention. This tool highlights Apple's proactive approach. Prevention is key, but quick cleanup is essential if something slips through. At a deeper level, System Integrity Protection, SIP, also known as rootless, safeguards critical system files. Even if malware gains high-level access, SIP prevents changes to protected areas like the kernel or system binaries. This feature, introduced in macOS El Capitan, teaches us about least privilege principles in computing. Limiting access minimizes damage. Additionally, macOS includes runtime protection such as Execute Disable, XD, and Address Space Layout Randomization, ASLR. XD prevents code from running in data areas of memory, thwarting exploits like buffer overflows. ASLR randomizes memory addresses, making it harder for attackers to predict where to strike. These are foundational concepts in modern OS security, borrowed from broader computer science practices. Finally, app sandboxing and permissions isolate applications, so one compromised app can't easily affect others or access sensitive data without your explicit approval. For instance, an app must request permission to use your camera or contacts, promoting user awareness and control over privacy. All these features receive automatic updates via macOS software patches, which is why keeping your system up to date is crucial. It's like vaccinating your computer against new viruses. While these built-in defenses provide strong foundational protection, remember that no system is foolproof. As threats evolve, combining them with safe habits, like avoiding suspicious links, or optional third-party antivirus can offer extra peace of mind. This layered approach exemplifies how operating systems balance security with usability. As we've explored, macOS's built-in security features, XProtect, Gatekeeper, MRT, SIP, runtime protections, and app sandboxing, work seamlessly to create a robust, layered defense against threats. These tools empower you to use your Mac confidently while highlighting the importance of staying updated and practicing safe digital habits.